Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS LTD deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Partnero. So Partnero is a partnership management platform that lets you create your own affiliate program, and other than affiliates, you can also create other programs such as referral program or also your own newsletter programs. And the best part is, no matter what type of program you create, whether it is affiliate or a referral program, you can fully white label it, fully customize it according to your own branding. And the great news is Partnero is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $500, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $59, and this is a one-time single payment. Now let's have a look at all the plan and features of this deal. So there are unlimited transactions and revenue. You can have unlimited visitors on your programs. You can white label the partner portal with custom domain. There is custom code injection and translations. There is also partner portal tracking, SEO settings. You have the dashboard and the data reports. And there are so many different types of features, and all of them are super essential for affiliate programs. And these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $59. Here you can create only one partnership program and you can have only one team member. And in terms of the newsletter subscribers, which means if you decide to create a newsletter program, you can have only 5,000 subscribers on this license tier 1. And the amount of affiliates or partners are unlimited. So is referrals and custom tracking domains. But if you're looking to create more programs, you can opt for the tier 2 with 10 programs, or the tier 3 that lets you create 30 partnership programs that can be affiliate or referral or newsletter. And here you can add unlimited team members. The amount of subscribers that you can have on your newsletter is over 100K. So if you want to buy Partnero on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. And if you're new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let's go to the dashboard of Partnero. After you log in to Partnero, you're going to get this dashboard, and currently as you can see we are in this dashboard, and this is the program. So how many programs you have, it could be affiliate program or a referral program, so all of them are going to appear on there. Then there are some your user settings and the billing. So to create the affiliate program, you just have to click on this get started, or you can also start from this referral program. So I'm going to show you how to create an affiliate program. So click on get started. And then you have to provide some basic information such as the program name, and then you have to provide the URL. So what URL you are going to paste on this box is exactly the URL that the users are going to get redirected when they click on one of the affiliate links of your partners. And then you have to set a partner portal URL. So this is going to be the login page, and you can have a custom URL with this Partnero domain, or you can also connect your own custom domain if you want. And then comes the commission. So how you want to reward your affiliates. So you can either choose the percentage method, or you can also give commission as fixed amount. So if you select this fixed amount, now you can provide the amount on here. You can change the currency if you want. There are almost all the currencies on here. And then you can also choose how long the rewards will be active for. So it could be lifetime or a specific time or specific days, months or years. And obviously you can also choose percentage as affiliate commission. So for example, it's 10%. So as you can see now 10% is selected, and all I have to do is click on create. So the affiliate program has been created successfully. Now you can explore some settings such as the program settings. So obviously once again you can change the program name, the URL, which means the web pages that your partner's affiliate links will lead to. Then you can also change the partner portal URL. And for commission, you even got a more detailed section. So you can obviously select the commission type, the commission and the currency. You can also create dynamic commission if you want. So for example, this 10% is for everyone, and then you can also add another. So now you can add another percentage, and you can add some conditions such as if someone signs up, then you can select if it is greater than or less than. So you can give the amount on here. So you can, this way you can create dynamic commissions. And then there are also some other options. So you can enable currency conversion. Then there are some commission options. So you can select the commission period, the commission rounding, the commission review period, and also the commission claim period. Then there is the payout settings. So you can select the payout threshold. You can also adjust the referred clients threshold. And then there is the default tracking. So obviously you have to track your partners. You can adjust those settings on here. And obviously, as I said earlier, if you want to add your custom domain, you can add it from here. Just click on connect domain. And then there are some other settings such as you can enable approval form for new partners. You can automatically approve commissions. And if you want to delete this program, you can also do that. So after this program settings, there are also a lot of integration options. So this is the Partnero universal integration options. As you can see, here is the code. So you can insert it on the head tag. So this is going to track the referral visits and the signups on your website. And then there is the API integration. So you can create your own API key from here. Then there are some trusted domains that you can add. There's also webhook. You can create a new webhook if you want. And then there are a lot of third-party integrations. So Stripe, Paddle, MailerLite, MailChimp, even PayPal. So there are a lot of famous integration options available such as Shopify, WooCommerce, Zapier, Make. And then we have this partner portal. So here you can change the settings for the portal, how your partner is going to see their dashboard and stuff. So first is this appearance. You can change the branding from here for your partners, for your affiliates. So you can add logo, favicon, symbol. You can change the font. You can also change the brand color. And then there is behavior settings. So the default page is login, but you can also change it to program introduction. And then once again, you can enable partner branding on your partner portal if you want. If you do not want to keep yours, then you can customize the partner dashboard. So you can adjust the default styling elements, the layout and the navigation. You can also customize the public pages. So once again, these are the default styling elements and also the content style. And one of the things that I really liked was this live customization feature. So if you click on this customize, so as you can see, now here's the login page for your affiliates. And the best part is you can now make changes on this live editor. So if you go to this branding, now you can add logo, symbol, favicon. You can change page appearance, the content appearance. So you can change these settings and also see the page, the login page in live. And then there are also a lot of other settings such as this content. So here on the partner dashboard, what type of content you want, you can adjust that. So as you can see, there are this link sharing and affiliate data and recent activity. Now you can change the position. You can also add a new resource. So you can add recent activity, text block, content block, or even links. Then there is this approval page. So here you can have a welcome message or confirmation message. Then there is this approval form. So if you click on add field, you can add various fields or sections such as text, input, checkbox in order to properly create a form. And then there is another section called onboarding. So you can also customize this page with welcome message, closing message. And then there are the public pages. So the program details or the page content. So you can adjust all of these settings. You can also adjust the login page as well as the sign up page. And then there is the resources. So here you can add some specific images or zip files or banners or any kind of files that you want to have for your partners so that they can use it. So as you can see, this resource page is going to be visible to your partners. So you can add various resources. It could be assets, banners, colors, accordion, links. And then there are the translations. So you can change the language from here. So here are all the text on dashboard. You can obviously edit the text on this box. Then there are other boxes such as these referrals, referral, resources, payouts. So you have all of these text from these sections in order to adjust according to the language that you want. And you can also change the public pages translations. So here are all of the text on these public pages. You can also adjust that. And there are also other pages with their text. Then there are some settings. So you can adjust the SEO settings in order to optimize your partner portal for search engines. Then there is also Google and Facebook trackers. So you can adjust the settings from here. And then on the left side, there are some other settings for affiliates. So there is this email. So you can connect your email. It could be mailer sent, or you can also add your own custom SMTP and you can send a test email to see if it's working properly or not. There are also other settings such as this logo and disclaimer and the default style. You can also change the default style for email. And as for the email, you have to go to this section. So here are all of the emails that are going to be sent as well as these notifications. So if you want to change them, just click on these settings and then you can edit the content, or you can also send a test email And then if you want to add some coupons, you can also do that. Just go to this section. So there are currently no coupons. Just click on new coupon in order to add a coupon. So here are some of the settings that you have to adjust in order to properly add a coupon. Then just click on create in order to add coupons. Then there are analytics. So here is an overview of the analytics. And as you can see here, you can see your partners, signups, paid customers, purchases, the insights, and even payout. You can also get specific partner related statistics. You can also get the data on real-time visitors. So here is that. And obviously something that shouldn't be missed is the payouts. So in order to change these settings, go to payouts, and all of the payout request and history is going to be here. If you want to automate this payout, just go to automation. Then you have to add some integrations for automation such as PayPal or Wise. So this way you can access the payout automation settings. And there are also analytics even for payouts. So that is amazing. You can see the amount of payout request, approved request, average customer per request, and so many other types of insights. So overall, I think Partnero is an excellent tool that lets you create your own affiliate program. Apart from that, you can also create newsletter programs or referral programs. And obviously, there are a lot of amazing features that Partnero is offering. So one of them is Whitelabel. You can totally customize the platform as your own. You can add your own custom domain. So overall, I think Partnero is definitely worth your buy if you are looking to create your own affiliate program. And if you want to buy this tool from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all of these features. And these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description. And once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this. And on this box, you have to provide your email. Then click on unlock my 10%. And then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo Credits Gift. And this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.